I'll invite you to take a deep cleansing breath. Inhale and fully exhale. One more time. Inhale and fully exhale. Feeling a relaxation wave come from the crown of your head, down through your face and shoulders, across your heart space, through your torso and solar plexus, across your hips, down through our legs and to our feet. Feel your body get heavy and relaxed and grounded. The power is within. So as we begin this meditation, call to mind that which you are creating. And in the mirror image of that, see yourself and say, the power is within. There is no lack, there is no excuse, there is no limitation in God. And I am it. Therefore, there is no excuse, lack, or limitation for my unfolding to my next highest good. Any excuse that wants to bubble up, flick it off. Deny. It has no power, no voice, no claim to this divine space. Fear, be gone. Worry, no thank you. Doubt, limitation, no way. And breathe. Now claim your power. I am powerful. I claim my ability to create with intention right here and right now. So let's just take another 2 deep breaths and find our way into the silence to allow for what needs to be heard to be released, what needs to be heard and claimed and spurred into action. Feeling that freedom, releasing those thoughts, those habits, the energies that we store, keeping us plain small. We feel the expansiveness of the self, the connection with that power to the indwelling presence of the divine. We claim our exceptional understanding. Imagine as big and bold as I need to, as calm and as peaceful as I need to. recognizing that God is in all things, breathing, sitting, talking, showing up as me, right here and right now. I allow for the will of God to be expressed in my life, to direct my thought, my action, my creation. I am willing to dive deep within, for the power is within me to know my next right step, to claim my next right thought, to know my next right action, and bringing forth the highest and best in my life. For that truth and for that knowing, I am so grateful, and so I lay it down, knowing that it is unfolding for my highest and best in every situation and circumstance, in every no and every yes. I claim it is for me, and I am grateful. And so I simply say thank you, God, for all that is, all that's ever been, and all that ever will be. It is good. It is God. So